Oh, hello everybody. Hi Facebook. Mo lewa mo kita tali hena kau alkio. Na alo ki ku mai me ke bali aku lai ngutu ke time ko alo ko kape kape ke alu smooth. Hey. But today, hi everybody. Today is a good day. Today packing awe ka alu ngat pong. Pau pehe ke hau o. Hi Lysa. Lysa, you look so pretty. O fat kakoi. O fat kakoi mo fitungane. How kau hei lala. Kau hei lala. Hi everybody. Hi Kathy. Hi sis. Hi Rebecca. Anyways guys, let me get to this live because today is my only day go off me away. So I can get some things done today and make some dinner for my family. But please don't mind me the way I look. I'm such a hot mess. I went ahead with my ulu, but apparently it's not going the way I want it to go. But anyways, today I wanted to come back on here and talk about Olympia. So for everybody who's been inboxing me about her, and the link, when I'm done with this live, I will post a link just above my page. I'll post a link so you guys can forward all your complaints and everything else to her. Because ko femina mali na alofa ko so ko alofa ko feku me me a o ma o ne pesi fini mota ko ni ko fele ne pesi he. Pana hanga pe ko ai ko tairo for live Olympia. Tapali hakiloto, tapali makiloto ko ta fahi peni pe ko hai ya o ke ma fahi ko ta alpen ke poko. Hepe ma tolo ma ko alpe ke os ke ari os ye humai kiloto humai o te ha o mea. So lately I went and I did some not research, but I just went and fe ilo right look online and stuff on my deaf. O kuma ne pesi pa ma ke sia ko fe pesi film ta ni so far ko my fe pesi ta. Who in the hell ko haya fe kau who has all day long to just stay home or fa pesi o ai mea o hulu mai he. And I stumbled across one of her live. Masiko megoni. Every time I talk about it, I get so matalidi he. Kongo kiri he. And ita manidi ia. Fai lo tu ia. Pe alu ni fumari anai au alo fai lo tu with my brother he. Kai no fai pemen fume a hulu mai pe fili motu a. Paka ko se osmalo lo. Mai le motu ngane ka alpe hulu mai me au. O faka ari mai ki ai, you know, just so that everyone can see it, right? And so today I wanted to come and tell her like Olympia, you know what? I'm so tired of coming on here, but I can't help it because what you did is not right. That is not okay, what you did. You know, and my family were really, really annoyed and frustrated with you, here. And you went and created, what, 18 different pages so far? And nobody even go kata ha comment ha mea ko ko pe alpo fa ha mea pe te ha ko te comment ha pe ho mea ho ai ho la mai ka ma to ka ta ka ko he ma te mina ta ka ko pa ko se fe me ha foi live. How the fuck old were you when you came from Tonga to over here to America? He ko se fe ne foi me ne foi live ta o ku fra matala mai ne ale le apa alu ai ma no le fra Tonga pe ne le e kan gloto ko fe ma pe ka ka mo to ma si Olivia e Olympia. Ko me pe hawe ku kange ko fa e fe kang ho ale ro ko he muai hosi he tu ko fe palangi ne ke palangi ane fe he tu ko marwa loi tu ko fe kafi pa ke ma ha ma ki lo ke ate me ke lo to ki ai lo tanga pe ko e ma no flere ka ka ko ya o ai ke ka o le mai o ai ke ai ho me ta pari mai ka ho lo to me ai ke pa ai ke al ki foi post o pe te ka la mai ka a fi ha ke lo to hu mai ke lo ke le mai I'm on now. How ko le mai he ke lo when I go back ki nga we ko break pe ko ha hu mai me a hu mai ka ko pa ona ke tal ko fra mata lo pe na ilo fra fe I time ko na elo ha fa e ko na fi te ke ko her tongue or fi te ke ko ki loto in her mouth itonga ko ilo pe a ke pa family ngai ha I fa ma ha ko ha why what the hell you going to do he ko haloi he pa fe no ga fra tu ane na mai ke ka nesi na nesi viola and I still have friends there now that I know things from. Ke pego kalo ai mai ka ha mere pagalo ka ha mere pa ki ta pari ha ki ho ta pun tai o te ka ole na mai ka mata mo ma family fe vale loi ko fa fe ka ko what kind of fa ka are you who are you? You are not even a fa ka to go and do things like that ba ke alo le mai o pe he o ko ke ka pa anga ko fi mo ha usta pari elo ko pe ko ya fi he te ke to se ka me ha ka ko pa tu ho ai ke alo o le mai ke fa na a marini mo ma ake ko ha Feo whanau, whure alo rea nau tolko mea ko alo rea kai pa alo rea he tunga i ko tunga ane. Alo tangi ke no pita alo mafa au le mea ko ia he ko mea ko ke holi ke at ko ta ki tua ke sio ko ki ai he ko anga ke ka feke pa ke huha ki loto come in because you did na ki foi pose pe te ha le mai ka okay well then come on ko awen ko huha te mea come on get in ka to ko ke te lo you have so many pages and you probably sitting over there watching me talking to you and that's good. So if you can see it, and then pag hawle ma lea mai, hu mai ki loto ki ai o lea mai, ki ate mea ki loto ki ai. How dare you? I don't even know what kind of pastor are you to go and do that to people? He, sa yena hanga talangi ke mea ke executive pastor UMC matala no ana talangi ki ai. Kaya hang I don't even understand ke mahinoi how in the hell o ku ke fai kau ke hau alo take la mai ka kai, and then you write all of this stuff in tonga how post mai mea, then you turn around pa ke alo ai ho loto mo mea. Man, what are you doing to people? Ke hanga peko ai ke he la mai ka kai hang ko koe. He, hang ko koe mo fa e. He time ko koe na elo ai. And if you take a coconut for a loki loto, I put on a dark coe, na if you fake on him more horsey. But Mahako Mel a lot gay, who might him get a care for a man way. Say, I don't even care who might go a lot of ye, because I am the Manu of the Langi tribe, who might a lot of get a care. But I get a lot of pay, because if come in, I get to pay with family, Momalto, family and the fair. How to come out with a family, the Paris, how to come get na usko. When my family, Matamogo, Mata Elo, we get a family at Mogoy. Eh? Ka te ai ho mea pa ke pehe o ke kafi e yona kafi ai la ko sa ia we ke mo ke ma ka kai ko te na ma hu mai ki loto a fi ma ko na mata hu mai ki loto ai mai ke sai eta mea eta ta ak fahi ko ta fahi peni pe ko ai like ma fahi he ko fahi peni ko ke ma fahi ki mai pe hotore o ska pe ka ro ta na hotore alo fahi mo to ta mai mo tu nga ane mo ku mo fae he te ri mal oh and let me tell you this ke ko fe men ai ko ta la tu ke ai ke ilo fe mea ko ni pala ko se mea a po se pe a ki loya mo ha ara ta pari ko to ka ngat ai ala ha loya he to ha loya ta ke na ma ko na tu ki ko ke elo ho na pa ta to galo ta hopo after that he ke ilo ka ko fe men ai ko ta ka ko and so you can go and take this fa ko ki foi threat my ko pe he te ai ki ai hopo mo mea ai me make sai ai make tika ai make ka se te hopo he ko fe men te ta ka ko ki mana te po ko na elo ha fa he na ta ma he to ki ta na Kaya nga tate ni hiwa he, kada peto kita na tutong ki o mai ha stapler, I don't know how you say it in Tongan, and me a stapler me ako me a. Na tutong e maha stapler o stapler kan ufla yutu. Because her tongue na ke lava ya o mono kiloto he, but na le vale ne si fe fine pena ya na pate ne si mai duct tape o te pi aki. Ke so ki he, ko me ako tutong ki algo ko o toka nga I he, ke ona hata hale mai ke fa he time go elo ai. Ka ka tunga ko algo ko le mai ka mautolo mai ke le ha ke mai mautunga ne. Bitch, I'm coming for you. And so I will be coming on here every time I get a little bit of information about you, Olympia. I will come on here and do a live to you. So all my live, this is all just dedicated to that Whaiwhekau Olympia. He, tala mai koko whamira, mautolo me where mea mo hea. Ma ta usi, ina pe matoma family. Koe, ko taha ina langi si over whamira, mautolo me where mea. Ilo lele pe matoma family. And anyways, furthermore, I don't even care where the fuck, o kuki hao me ai, wiki toka take the family pe ikai. He tahana ila wia ko he tau tupa ke KCE. He na ke sata ko fufela. Pag sai pe ko ke mata elo mautolo hange ko koe. He, ke ilo e whemea ko ia. Pag o tatpen ka koe e Olympia. Na me sanga pe alpa ko ia aho whaiwhekau, mo aha mea ko ai. I mean, you know, I don't care what you do. Me pe a koe, ka hot. Alko koe ke ai ke ino folea mai, o leha ke kakai. Kai atu lewa mea ko ke loto koe ki ai e. Ki ona ke te hao koe au, pota ko he te mapo pe hako, tanga mimi ai ke rea mai. Rea mai ke henka mauto. He ko start pe ka koe. Koku whanga siblings, o ke nau ke. Some of them now lotu, some of them now lotu loi, whatever they do. But okay now ke now tolu. Me, ko au te hao ki take. Mahino, ko happy ho me ko ai ke rea mai ai te hao lewa take. And that is just to anybody in general, like whoever. You know, don't come and get to me or to my family or to anybody that's related to me because I'm going to come in here and get with you and then I don't really care, you know. So with that being said, Olympia, mga hagigiloto kihe, te mahati to humanay, kung ospago ko alo ko kung ay meka mawapi kin si hak tahinyo ka singawe, ko te humati for life for fuhet ka ko Mana tu hangin niya ko susu ko na ko ikaw ang ikaw na usko na ko ko na lot loyat me feito ko ka politik fure ure na ustik to titori ko ta fai papa peni hai ko lau ki tunga ane lau tak fatani ko ki misini fai papa si eno ta lele ai ko ta fai momoi ki atu peni ta lele ke ta ke me ko ngata anga ko me ta ki ai he pa ko me ko ai ke hu ta ko ai ni don't do it no more Olympia o te te mai o I already told you, and I will stick the link to everybody who's been inboxing me about the link. I will send you guys the link to forward all your complaint to the executive pastor of the UMC so that they can hurry up because of what you said in the milk fight. And I don't even care if anybody, man, you know what? I tell you guys what, I will tell on everybody I know I be here. Yeah, I'm just being honest with you guys. Como todo mundo mo fefekau po mo hold title usiasi keke mo mea o te mo aike mo mai amolo tu ke lo because I will tell on you guys and I'm not even playing around. So yeah, Olympia, you just wait. Just wait. He kona at peke mea fefekau. Ko yo ka fefekau ina po kai tu ai hoan ko fu fa ko mena if you take hano ale lo kiloto. Fela tamai feleni me tonga ki te volo Britania. My friend in Tonga told me. My friend told me, she said, when I say brothers, I could be referring to my first cousins or my brother immediate family or just a cousin of mine that I call my brother. So, one of my brothers, so just because nakakiyay and I didn't see it, ko ila pa wiya nga tutu ko tutu ko ale tala noa Olympia ke ila fe mea go ya ko sa ia we ko ifa fa ke mea ke te ke ma ka na ki atu pa ke mai ka ko ke ko ma fanga kila fanga ta ke te elo ke ta ri kita ke malu pe kita na pe ka kai ku te fa se se ka ta kita ta pepe ta pari no ia lo mea ga ba ke ta ha le mai, you know. So I want her to do it. Because I read her little comment. I read your comment. You said they have for tutu. Wow. Wait, from who had for tutu? How many for tutu? My girl. Go ahead. He got a loy. O go more back me away. Hey, or patu go I can get paid tau. Hey, took why go connect home for milk tau. Hey, took go for the arm for a day. For go tau go for milk fat my money. Go ahead. Took a tau because I tau with her. That be tau with my home. Now I feel fat it tau. That I have to make you fat in it tau. Hango fa ke ilo fe mea ko ya ona to so ke te ha hu ma fa pipi ma mea fe ka aki ke ma ake pe ko fa na wa aki tu ta ofia because I will have a picture of your mom time that mate te loto ka fo tu ma ta ke se ma ka kai ke mea ko time ko na mate ai ha go fa tala tu if you take if you take ana to ke ma ha pul to sa ya take ta kanu fa ale ro ki loto ag mahalo o os ilo ya Mahana if you take ngata ahin I take hope mai fu me ko mila lo ki tu I'm gonna take turn pe pe ka me pe kai I don't know to ka bo to fa o se te fu me ko ya ka ko wanga fa ka ko me mahana if you take not only because she did not raise you right and she did not even teach you anything how to be kind, and then shame on you, you went to a pastor school and I'm sure they would teach you these things, right? But I mean, that's just common sense because if you're a pastor, right, you're spiritually fed every day and then you would know what to do and how to greet people and how to talk about people. But obviously, bitch, you are not a pastor. You're a bastard fucking child who comes on here and does the most evil thing to hurt people. People you don't even know. People you have no fucking clue about. Everyone has problems and everyone has issues. And we all deal with our issues differently and separately. But who the fuck are you to come on here and post someone else's stuff on there? Hey? But who might I'm a mahino my car way. I go sa to left atonga na pele foi live ta ka me apagate mo alo ofrasio o sent al hakule ne me a o ma fa pipikato no foi video ne foi lena pe he. I think it was like a fucking puto or some shit that she went to, and then $500 knock penny. I was looking at her like, what the fuck is this bitch joking on a? Is she fucking choking, like literally choking on a fucking dick or what? Kaya may mahino man nila he. Fei paka kile fra palani. Peto na mukota le fra tonga. Kaya ilo pa kami poto ay he. Kaya poto le fra tonga kaya to vale mo le fra palani. Kau kalau nak kita hape metong aku osngari aku fulu osina ngafeu tak aku ya fai ko me ka kai vale loy he ko fe vale loy aku na heni all my life ko heni American mahino ke gelo fe me ko ya tapari kau ko samai ke ko me laka nge ule ya ko he kai tungai ko man tahna usi tole tapari afi tahem matare mga ha tole fore nga ha mo nga tata mo fai pe Olympia ho me ya fai pe ke so ko kia he ko nga tang fele ni ke ri mata ka ha fa pipi ka te ele mai ko fu fa no nga afi mo no fu mata inguto ni hope mai ki to no fu alelo hai pua get out of my life se ke ko fe ho ma family ho mai be ko fa live ko alo live ko alo fake. Anyways guys, I need to get off this live because I'm gonna need right now to like tone into my like my wifely mode or my motherly mode, and I need to go cook dinner for my family. And plus, I have to get off this live before my daughter comes home. O siya mai ke mea ko ai. He tin hapo ilog fa ko mea ko vi ko ke hanga mahino ko lea pa pia. Anyways, hi Olga, Afakamoto. Anyways, Olympia, tapariha ke anai he, o spe kuki ko hatu hua te lele ki misin fai papa. Ko ta fahi peni, kono kini si peni ko ata aki momo iki mai pe hotole. Frotutu mai pe fratautawa pe ke me ke framomo ha ke turiki. Osko ya, ate ko ne au he, ai la ko ka pato amo ka me ka hela la he. So ke mo ilo ka ko student forgot pato amo hela la. He. So ke mo ilo fe me ko ya. Ai now ke Olympia. Kau hanga pen ko tatawa ki na pen ni pokha like feto to imah no mata usi ko na pen ko ke seo ko ke ko fe walu tap tapari he mo okay feto to he you just wait because now you just done see this year this was going to be my year guys, this was going to be my year to go back to church, but you know what, that's going to wait until I'm done with this bitch, until I'm done fixing her and putting her in her place. I'm going to make sure that I put you back in your place. Okay, Olympia, so with that being said, I need to get off this live because her just came home and I need to go make the dinner. Bye. I'll post the link after.